So what's up mga guys? Nandito ulit tayo, nagbabalik para sa part 2 ng ating cross prediction video. Dito tatalakayin natin kung paano ka nga ba kikita by predicting kung tataas or bababa ang crypto. So ito na nga yun mga guys. Andito tayo sa site ng cross prediction under Crosswave. Basically, this platform lets you predict real-world outcomes like crypto movements, trends, and even global politics. And if tama ka, you will earn like in cryptocurrency and in forex. Para lang siyang trading but in a more simplified version. No complicated charts na kailangan mong intindihin agad, because decision making is the most important part here. Ngayon, I will discuss how this platform really works. Ganito siya guys, super simple lang. Let's say may question, will BTC go up or down in the next 1 minute? So ang trading dito, meron tayong 1 minute interval. Some other topics also include Clarity Act signed into law in 2026, GTA 6 released before June 2026, will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027, and marami pang iba. Sabi ko nga guys, hindi lang ito about crypto, this is about predictions. Let's try dito sa Bitcoin prediction. So andito na tayo sa loob ng platform. Now nakikita natin itong graph. Dito sa graph makikita natin yung broken line sa gitna. Kulay green siya ngayon because Bitcoin is currently going up. If pumunta siya sa kulay red, it means Bitcoin is going down. Ang simple lang, di ba? Makikita natin dito, the platform is very user-friendly. And once you want to start trading, click trade. So currently, ang price ng Bitcoin today is 77,588,000. And in the last 60 seconds, tumaas ang Bitcoin ng 0.4%. Nakikita natin, merong timer dito. Ito yung sinasabi kong mark na 1 minute. Every trade is done in a 1 minute interval. So once this trade ends, magkakaroon na tayo ng panibagong trade. And we can complete this trade within another minute. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga different topics kung saan kayo pwede mag-predict. So tapos na natin na-discuss ang BTC, ang Clarity Act, GTA 6, Donald Trump, and ngayon, human landing in 2026. Totoo nga ba ito or hindi? Next, Russia and Ukraine ceasefire by June 30. What are your predictions regarding that matter? Will China unban Bitcoin in 2027? Ano tingin mo dito? Mostly, people said yes. Trump as president? Will the Iran regime fall before 2027? SpaceX Starships fully reusable before 2027? And other matters. So imagine this, what if consistent kang tama sa predictions mo? That's where strategy comes in. Hindi puro hula, dapat may basis ka. Mga market trends, news, timing, lahat yan nagiging factor sa tamang prediction. And the best part, may mga campaigns like Crosswave where you can earn more, lalo if active ka. But let's be real ha, this is not guaranteed income. Prediction pa rin siya, may risk. So don't go all in agad. Play smart, learn the system first. So ngayon, I'll ask you again, magaling ka ba mag-predict or gusto mo pa i-test yung skills mo? Try mo siya, explore the platform and see for yourself. Comment up or down right now and let's test your instincts.